everybody! These silicone ice cube trays are one of my new favorite things, and because they are silicone, we can cook with them too. So we're going to make a really easy breakfast recipe that takes 5 minutes to do, and if you have silicone muffin trays, they'll work as well. And you'll need about 1 egg per hole, but I used these jumbo eggs, so they came out with 2 yolks each. So I'm going to use the extra for something else. But basically salt and pepper, then you're going to add in some milk, and the next thing you're going to do is add my secret ingredient, Dijon Mustard. Just a couple of squirts, and nobody will taste it, but when you mix it in, it gives it kind of a really nice flavor. So whip up your eggs, and then whatever veggies you have in the fridge, I just use some peppers, some green onions, and some tomatoes, and then fill about half of the tray. So fill them up with whatever you have. One of the really nice ideas is to add some cheese or some bacon bits, but whatever your family likes. So you can see it's about halfway full, and then all you're going to do is take your egg mixture and then fill it into the holes. Now, when you're putting it in, I only fill it up about 3/4 full because when we cook it, they start to fluff up and we don't want them to spill over. So if you have any extra egg mixture, don't worry, just check out some of our other videos because I have more amazing egg recipes. Finish filling your trays, just pop them in the microwave. It only takes 5 minutes and they cook up light and fluffy. All you need to do is just run a fork around the inside, pop them out, and there you go. Delicious, easy, quick breakfast bites, and everyone will enjoy them. So don't forget to check out our other recipes, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe today and ring that bell, and you'll be the first one to get our next video as soon as it comes out. And if you're crafty, I've got great natural crafts for every season of the year, using things found abundantly in nature to make amazing decor pieces. So stay tuned.